Want to know how to uninstall the Agoda application? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Agoda application. So open your Play Store and then just simply open Agoda, and once that is done, just simply hold on to the Agoda application and head towards its app info right here. And here you should be seeing uninstall. Just simply select uninstall and then select OK, and then your Agoda should be removed. Next thing is you can just simply head towards your Play Store and search out for Agoda. And then once you have found Agoda, just simply select it for more information, and right beside open you should be seeing uninstall. So just simply select uninstall, select uninstall again, and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.